guys, it's BB. Welcome back to my channel, my beautiful monarch butterflies. I hope that all of you are having a lovely day. So in today's video, we are doing the hashtag decemberdaily to restore you challenge that is hosted by Angela. Basically, in this collab, you are more than welcome to join in whenever you would like. You could either do it every single day and maybe skip a day or do it weekly, whichever. There's still plenty of time. We do have some participants here. We have Pam Vanny, Kelly over at Root Pursuit. We have Dale over at Not Too Shabby Chic, and myself. Angela has been posting every single day. She's been on the ball. And if you too would like to participate, be sure to click on the link down below and you are able to get your supplies. She has it listed up on her Etsy, so be sure to check that out. So let's go ahead and jump right into today's video. I'm going to show you guys my little spread that I created, and I will be attaching some footage of what all I did because I ended up having to do it in my craft room. But this is what I created. And if you would like to see how I made this, just go ahead and keep on watching. Hi guys, Future BB here. So in today's prompts, we have copper, we have something blue, and we also have something from home. You can see me constructing a cute little booklet here because I knew I would have to write down lots of information on my son's swimming meet. So there is my something blue, and that is going to go on the cover of this cute little booklet, just so I know where his first swimming meet out of town would be. The last one that we did was in our very own hometown, so this was his very first swimming meet out of town and as a new bronze member. So it goes from blue, bronze, silver, and then gold. So he was really looking forward to this, and so was our family. So the second item is something from home. I have this cute little die cut that I will be incorporating as a pocket so I can fit something cute in there. And I also want to place a brad there on that sweet little tab, which will be my item in copper. So that is my 3 prompts for this week. And I post every Thursday, so thank you all for joining me today and watching this video. So the difference between our hometown and Artesia was that whenever the children competed here, they took the time to go down every single lane naming each individual child, and Artesia did not do that. They just announced, say for instance, there were only 5 minutes between breaks, and they were very quick at announcing like the race, and you couldn't even hear it because it's so echoey inside of the pool. If I could show y'all a video, I will probably insert it here somewhere. Relax. Let's go, baby. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Woo! Come on, Papa. Come on, Papa. There you go. Beautiful. Yes, Asiel. Woo! There you go, baby. Come on, Asiel! Woo! All right. That's my chip. I don't know if this audio did it any justice or the video, but I hope you guys enjoyed the footage of my son getting first place. So that was really exciting. I was so very proud of him. I was really excited and super pumped. So my son's team placed 3rd as a whole, and they also received a team trophy. My son also stayed qualified, and so he will be going to Midland very soon. Hooray! I was not very pleased with how fast the Artesia meet was going. I feel like it was very rushed. They didn't take time to announce the swimmers, and it made me appreciate that our hometown did that much more. There was 2 days that our kids competed, so it was the meet for December 18th through the 19th. Jaziel competed in both. However, the first night that we had arrived in Artesia, we ended up staying in a hotel. My mom had just recently gone through surgery, and it was a little bit harder for her to get around. So we ended up missing the first 2 races that my baby did. So we missed his 200-yard freestyle relay, and they came in last on that one, from what my baby told me. And then the boys 50-yard butterfly, 3rd place is what he ended up getting. We missed that one as well while we were setting up our chairs as we were just getting there. Like I said, there was only 5-minute breaks in between, and so by the time that we turned around, the race was over. It was done. And like I said, it was just very quick, and not a lot of swimmers attended because it is from out of town. So the less swimmers they have, the faster the meet will actually end up going. My mom decided for him to compete on the 19th as well, just a way to redeem ourselves and have an opportunity to get a chance to view all of his races. Here is a picture of my baby on the first day, and I had him post next to their logo there. And then for the 19th, I've got this picture here of a timesheet. Me and my daddy ended up volunteering to be timers. My daddy has only one arm, and they wanted him to use 2 different tools, which was a timer and then the little clicker to stop the timer. It was basically like a push button switch of some sort, and so I had a timer in one hand just in case one of us faltered, and we had a backup. I was flooded with anxiety because I was not sure of how many times the swimmers would have to go back and forth, but we ended up getting it done. It was so super fun to be at the front lines watching my baby. Even one point I was like, oh my gosh, maybe he's gonna end up in our lane. We were assigned lane 3 and he was given lane 2, so he was just 1 lane away from us, and so I was multitasking with cheering him on and also timing his competitor. And that's it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks so much. So here is another look at the little spread that I have created for today. I very much hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Angela, thank you so much for letting me participate. I hope that some of you guys jump on board as well. I will catch you guys on the next one. I hope y'all are enjoying y'all's December, and y'all take care. Bye.